Hello, my name is Robert Kraig. I'm Executive Director of Citizen Action of Wisconsin. We just want to give you a rapid response to what just happened in this historic Supreme Court decision from a Wisconsin perspective. Now, we all know this is about health care reform, and in particular a law that extends new benefits and new coverage to hundreds of millions of people in the United States, and also outlaws the worst forms of insurance industry abuses, including discrimination against people with pre-existing conditions, or throwing people off their coverage after they get sick. Now, we're very happy with this decision, obviously. The law has been upheld and it's going to move forward, so we were over this hurdle. I have to say I had a little bit of sense of outrage that even came to this, that we even had to sit on pins and needles and wait for this decision, because this law was clearly constitutional. The only reason this came into play is because the power of the right wing in this country, with corporate insurance company backing, to actually bring every major social reform we were seeking into question. So we've won this round. Even a conservative Supreme Court has completely upheld this law, so it is going to be implemented. Now, one thing to bear in mind here is that even in Wisconsin, this is not necessarily an immediate victory. Governor Walker recently said that he will not implement the Affordable Care Act even if it's upheld by this Supreme Court. So now we have a lawless governor operating the way the segregationist governors did in the 1960s when they tried not to implement the Civil Rights Act in the South. And I think we need to unite in Wisconsin and make sure that in Wisconsin, as everywhere else in the country, everyone will have a place to go to buy affordable health coverage. People will be in control of their health care decisions, not insurance companies, and no longer will people be thrown off their coverage after they get sick, and no longer will the insurance industry be able to profit based on only insuring healthy people and discriminating against everyone else. And so we've made a huge step forward on that with this decision. It shouldn't have come to this, but we have gotten this decision, and now we need to implement this law in Wisconsin so everyone has a right to affordable health care. Thank you very much.